Good morning, everybody. My name is Ricardo Gonzalez, and my partner Brian Monroy have been working on the satellite digital versus analog. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you enjoy some of the clips that I've made. How the digital waves on a satellite work together is by relaying the radio waves. The radio waves are relayed from one part of the Earth to the other. What this basically means is that the satellite works like a mirror. It reflects digital signals off from one point of the Earth to another. The satellite also amplifies the digital signals to make them stronger, so they have enough power to get from one point to another. This digital signal can carry anything from telephone calls, the internet data, TV broadcasts, and also radio broadcasts. These digital signals are used as a way of communication. This is the way the digital signals are used. This is the most efficient and the best way to communicate. The analog equivalent to the satellite would be its tin cans and a string. The difference between analog and digital is the analog wave is used at a pure or original form. Meanwhile, digital waves are sampled and turned into numbers that are stored and read by a digital device. The way the tin can and string work is by sending vibrations from one another to each of the cans. The vibrations are carried through the string that both cans are attached. This way, the analog communications is still used to this day as a fun way of entertainment. It is usually used by kids. Besides, people don't really tend to use them for communications due to the quality. The digital version of the tin cans and strings are most used, which are known as satellites. A satellite isn't necessarily a huge metal object in space. A satellite could be as small as a bug, but it could also be as big as a truck. What a satellite basically is a smaller object that happens to revolve a bigger object than the satellite. The smaller object or satellite loops around the object, and it's also known as an orbit. The dictionary definition of a satellite on Google is an artificial body placed in orbit around the Earth or Moon or another planet in order to collect information or for communication. The satellite we are doing on our project is the one you imagine when you hear the word satellite. A huge metal object that loops or orbits around the Earth's atmosphere. Those huge satellites are used to see more than the human eye can see. Satellites are used for navigation purposes as well as for images or pictures. They're also used to communicate people from around the world in a short period of time. Satellites are the most efficient way of collecting the most data faster than anything else in the best way.